Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can make faceless videos for your TikTok. To do so, first of all, just open up your TikTok app. To make faceless videos, you can just pre-record a video that you have done facelessly, only showing your products or just doing AI content. But if you want to post a faceless video directly, you just have to open up your TikTok and go on to the plus icon which is on the bottom of your screen. If you click on this bottom plus icon, it will take you to this screen where you are able to record a video that you want to post. From here, you can directly upload a pre-recorded video as well, or if you want to click a video on real time, you can do so as well. You can select the timer like 15 seconds to 60 seconds and to 10 minutes. While doing this video, you can just show your hand to a wall directly without showing your face, and you'll be able to do a faceless video. And that's how you can easily do a faceless video and post it on TikTok. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.